Welcome back to App Mentor. In this video, we'll see how to buy games with Steam points. So let's get started. Let's begin by opening your Steam application on your web browser. If you haven't logged in yet, log into your Steam account, and once logged in, browse through the store and explore the available items. Select the game you want to purchase. I'll choose this game. Scroll down and click on the Add to Cart option. Then click on the Purchase as a Gift button. You will be directed to the gift delivery page. Input the details of the friend you want to send a gift to, and once done, click the Continue button at the bottom. That's it. If this video was helpful, make sure to leave a thumbs up and subscribe for more tutorials. Thank you for tuning in.